Hello everyone. So today I will be presenting about the happy number. So happy number is the one if the sum of squares of each of the digits, if you iterate it further and further, it should end in 1. If it ends in 1, then it is called as a happy number. Okay. So here, let us see. So we are basically passing in as a string. So what am I going to do is while n is not equal to 1 and n not in scene. Okay, so what am I going to do? Scene is basically a set. Okay, in this set we are going to add this number n not in scene at that particular point of time. Scene dot add of n, we will be doing this as the first step, and the next step is we will be getting the next variable for the n. Okay, and it will be mentioned as a what we call as a function to whom we are passing a argument n, and it returns a value of n. So this happens until n is either equal to 1 or n in scene. If n is in scene, it means that it is not a happy number. Okay, so we are basically going to return whether n equal to 1 or not when it gets out of this particular loop. Now we are going to mention get next of n. So this is a particular function. So we are going to perform diff mod of n comma 10 so that we will be getting each of the digits individually. So this will be equal to n comma digit. Okay, and for this we are going to mention total sum which will be equal to uh, 0 initially, and while n is greater than or greater than 0, at that particular point of time we are going to find out a digit one by one, and we will be mentioning total sum plus or equal to digit square. So finally, we are going to return the value of total sum. So this will be the next iteration of the number. So once this is a return, it will check whether it is equal to 1 or not in scene. If it is not, then it gets added. Now, while the loop is happening, either it ends in 1 or it ends in one of the number that is in scene. When it is in scene, it will not be equal to 1. That time it returns false. When it is equal to 1, it returns true. So now this one, you see, it is accepted.